This is Reverend
Akosi Boatin.
Okay, Anna Mbamba to was prepare. Anna Pacho also Sika Odoyu. Abobeni. Nipa na sabwa.
Mepacha abwa ni mu ne se nipa.
O se for say.
Mepacha ya flame original pekese aka pekese.
Okay, nti mpacho sisi ade na moye wa ha sisi a mbo yede.
Oh Charlie, so ma mu nim ne da. Rap TV.
Je.
Mesia.
Oyo.
Ma ba location so.
Aha, aye.
Be twa si ne be twa advert.
Ti e twa de.
Advert.
Ade?
Advert.
Oh, okay. Madam, mpacho omo show YouTube. Ede na pese wo ka kire wo.
Me chia o bibia.
Yeah.
Any omo show me nia.
Omo so pese omo show form no. Omo pese omo show form no. My goodness. Form we there, I'm say oh ba ho a wo hia equipment. We form we there the president for. Oh, nice. Mpacho na wa wale there.
Me pacho there bi.
Ai, ni afa. Ani afa. Mpacho se ne wonwale ye na se bemma ono a obetimi a take care of body ne gina ho no. Ekwan da ho mboa.
Ekwan da ho mo bibia obetimi ahwe me.
Oh, okay. Mpacho na apart from tree kasa be biem na ate.
Oh, metebro from kwa.
Okay, ntifa bro for kasa ne kakra bi se eka bibi kakra kire omo a omo hwe ona menti asem.
I will say hello to everybody who is watching me. I am Sika. When you meet me, just call me Sika and I say hi.
Oh, hi. Very fantastic. Do you speak English?
Oh yeah, I do.
So speak English and say something.
What kind of English do you want to hear?
Everything you want to say.
You want to hear patois?
Yeah, twapa.
Twapa?
Oh, patois. Sorry.
Oh.
So I want you to promote Sika for me. Just promote Sika for me.
Oh yeah.
Sika.
Hello, lovely viewers. Have you seen my lady here, Sika?
Yeah.
We are friendly Sika Papa B.
Good.
Huh? Say who here Sika? I be try adverts. O movie. Adie bia. Who here back some for Sika na na me.
DNFC.
Rev. Cargo.
Salite. Oh, Sika ho fe.
Oh yes, Sika ho fe. Sika so ho fe.
Nyame ado me ho fe pa.
Down. Na mpacho. We ka say ofi edin dey say.
Me from Nanaya.
Nanaya Sika.
Oyedi ni.
Na mpacho na
me ye jabin ni pa.
Deni
jabin.
Dabini.
I know say dey jabin e dey.
Ekro.
Oh, okay.
Dabin na. I can say.
Okay, the person who says Sika say. Said ye otie or nice. E den pa na senyame na dum no nya bema obetimi take care of na Sika na. E den no so betimi ayede amma bema no obetimi ayede
Okay, Sika, but you say mo.
Oh, me don abro so dodo.
Wow. And
so be me be here odo and entiase and support.
Very good.
Eti dey me won and am the be man.
Very good. Yo, why are there? Thank you. Just come and the video we have more big more you can say plus size of their self for yeah. This is the one Pacho who did this or do you?
I show you from
Majua. Oh, okay. Majua Pacho ye di ni.
Me Asantini.
We Asantini. Who Ghana?
No Ghana, me friend just Buankra.
Just Buankra. Oh, okay. Young Kofubu home shepherd ya, omun teachi. Omo kabo fun ko a. Iti pese wo di blofo no e ka bibi kakra. Din asema waka nyina ye from Majua, wo Ghana, and then ni na pese wo ka bibi kakra.
Okay, I'm Majua from Ghana. I come from Ajoso Buankra.
Yeah.
And I stay at Tech Junction.
Oh, okay. Did you see a video ya? So we show Germany, Italy, Holland, Belgium, and Kuwait, and I say Korea, Sika also be ye from Dubai. But all wale.
Me pacho there.
Sir, it no opeso wale.
Me pacho ai.
Okay, very good. But ka adia me viewers no omo apem asem. Omo like me video me ba to boase. Ka adia ba ko a opese ananya mienu a opese obi a ofinu bia onyema.
Me pese me free Ghana.
Opese free Ghana. Can English?
I want to travel out of the country.
So
To US, Italy, or Canada, Germany.
Okay. And now, person, oh yeah, it will be official. Bet me I travel, be on travel.
Yeah.
Very good. And Sika, then I also so pay.
I also want to travel and get married.
Get married. So if somebody want to,
Get married to me or help me travel, I'm okay.
you're okay.
Yes.
It's your number a good screen is on. What can be? Just speak English. Say number a good screen.
So we have the number on the screen.
Yeah.
If you want to help me, just contact the number and call me.
Okay. Very